introduction, hi everyone, and welcome to this quick yet insightful dive into the world of programming languages. Today, we will cover some of the most important languages and concepts you need to know to excel in coding interviews and software development. Whether you're a beginner or brushing up your skills, this video has something for you. C Fundamentals. Let's begin with the classics, C and C. These are the bedrock of programming. C teaches the basics, variables, loops, and control structures. It's efficient, fast, and forms the foundation of many operating systems. Moving on to C, it builds on C by introducing object-oriented programming. This includes creating classes, objects, and implementing inheritance and polymorphism. You'll often encounter C questions about memory management, pointers, and algorithms during interviews. Mastering these languages prepares you for understanding low-level programming concepts. Java Essentials. Java, one of the most widely used languages, is known for its platform independence. Write once, run anywhere is its mantra, thanks to the Java Virtual Machine, JVM. Java makes handling real-world problems simpler with features like exception handling, file operations, and a robust collections framework for data structures. It also shines in handling concurrent tasks through multithreading, enabling multiple operations to run simultaneously. Mastering Java not only opens doors in enterprise software but also prepares you for object-oriented programming challenges, database queries and design. Now, let's talk about databases, a vital part of modern applications. SQL, the standard query language, is used to interact with data. Basic commands like select, insert, update, and delete allow you to manipulate records effectively. Advanced concepts like joins, subqueries, and indexing optimize database performance, while normalization ensures data consistency. Database knowledge is essential in interviews, as it demonstrates your ability to design and manage data efficiently. Threads, synchronization, and locks. Threads and multithreading are critical for building high-performance applications. They allow your programs to perform multiple tasks at once, like running a file download while processing user input. However, this comes with challenges like race conditions and deadlocks. Synchronization and locks are tools to manage thread safety, ensuring operations don't interfere with one another. Expect questions on these concepts, especially in Java and C. C# programming questions. C# is popular in the Microsoft ecosystem and is widely used for web and desktop applications. It combines the best of Java and Python with features like LINQ for querying data and async programming for better task handling. Whether you're building games with Unity or enterprise software, C# is a great tool to have in your arsenal. Python programming questions. Python is the go-to language for its simplicity and versatility. It's used everywhere, from web development to artificial intelligence. Python's rich libraries and clean syntax make it ideal for solving algorithm-based problems efficiently. If you're preparing for interviews, focus on data manipulation, automation, and logic-based questions. Programming might not be as versatile as Python, but it's a powerhouse in statistics and data science. It's commonly used for data visualization, statistical modeling, and machine learning. Knowing R can set you apart in data-driven roles, especially for analytical and research-based tasks.